Listening practice. Exercise 1. Listen to track 13 about modals and repeat the reading out loud. I cannot study today. I am sick. I could attend class tomorrow, for I should rest right now. I would like to learn more by myself, but I feel so tired. I will ask my brother to know what he thinks about it. He said I could go on vacation to relax. I decided to ask someone else. My parents said I shouldn't go to class. My sister said I shouldn't take medication before going to the doctor, and my friends told me I cannot go to the beach. I wouldn't know what to do without them. I think the best thing to do is doing everything. First, I won't go on vacation. Second, I am going to go to the doctor. Third, I won't take medication. And last but not least, I'm not going to class tomorrow.